Okay, so the last thing we're going to focus on today is flexibility, and the thing that we're going to focus on is torso flexibility. So we have a lot of different muscles that are involved in our torso, and this hits pretty much all of them. We're going to steal it from yoga, and we're going to just maybe tweak it a little bit so that it's going to help you with your golf game. You're going to go right up against the wall. You're going to take a pretty wide stance, so Zara's going to take a nice wide stance. Her back heel is on the wall. Her front foot is maybe 3-4 inches away from the wall. Now, the really big thing that you want to think about here is that your bum, both cheeks, stay on the wall for the entire exercise. So, we're going to get her to bend her front leg down, making sure that her knee does not pass her toe. She's then going to take her elbow and rest it on her upper leg, making sure right away that front hip, that back hip, wants to pull away from the wall. So she really has to pull back to the wall. And then once she gets comfortable with that position, she's going to take her arm up, extending the stretch, keeping the hand against the wall, looking up towards the hand, and trying to keep her shoulders against the wall. So you can see we have a huge opening of the chest here. We have a huge opening of the hips here. And you can see we have a huge opening through her trunk right here, through her obliques, through her quadratus lumborum. They're both getting a huge stretch, which is going to allow her to have a little more movement as she rotates around to strike the ball. Thanks a lot. Hope you can take these and use them yourself in your golf game. And if you want to check out our upcoming golf course, look at the bottom of this page and I'll tell you more about it. Have a great day.